So after washing my face, y'all, this is how my face is looking so far. As you can see, yes. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how, or other ways on how to remove your makeup with coconut oil, and it does the good job as well as makeup remover. So I'm gonna show you sometimes other ways I can remove my foundation on my face. So I got my coconut oil here, so I'm gonna dip it into a dry cloth and I'm gonna massage the coconut oil onto the cloth, and then I'm gonna wipe my face off. Okay. Look at that. Yeah. And you can proceed to cleaning your face with whatever product you have of cleaning your face. Okay, so yes guys, so I'm gonna go ahead now and wash my face with my regular soap, and I'm using my facial cleaner as usual, and I'm gonna put that and then I'm gonna proceed to I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. I'll show you the final product. So after washing my face, y'all, this is how my face is looking so far. As you can see, yes. So yes, you can use coconut oil to remove your makeup, and also leave your face so soft and clean. So took my lipstick off real good too, you know. Yeah, thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.